DR-675 string trimmer. I pulled on it a couple times, it doesn't start, stopped right there. I'm gonna do the basic stuff and then overall it wasn't that bad. The oil in it wasn't that bad. It was black, but it was still viscousy. It wasn't, didn't have water in it and it didn't have gas in it, so the oil was good. The carburetor, not the cleanest in the world. Would have run, but would have been low on power. One of the jets was partially clogged, the other one was, well, they were both semi-clogged. But it would have run just low on power. The spark plug was completely carboned up. And there was no maintenance done over there. So these things were just fired up and just run. So I'm sure the oil didn't get changed on a regular basis, which means the cylinder walls are scored, which means they're oil burners.